Whoa, hang on 1 second, guys. Watching this video was all for naught. We actually have a little bit of pricing information for you on the 2023 Corvette, not in the dealer system that I was just referring to. Yeah, still a naked lot. Naked Corvette there. If you watched our show yesterday, I told you why I took the logos off my door and why they're actually going back on and how they're going to be just a little bit different. And yes, we actually have the regular camera today, not the point of view camera. I'm trying real hard to use that. I don't like holding the camera anymore. So if I can give you guys different views and still fun conversation. If you listened to yesterday's video, man, Chuck and I covered a lot of stuff, and I know that was a 27-minute video, but we've got a more mature audience. And I know you guys get immersed in the conversation, including the conversation, in case you didn't see it, I know everybody's about C8, but check out the C, I'll put a link down below in the description, I'll put another link right up in here for you guys, but check out the conversation when I first tried to use the point of view thing, and it kind of stunk. It was like, shoot. But if you listen to the conversation, we talked about a lot of neat things, a couple of discoveries with your arm and hand, C7 versus C8, that nobody's talked about that we'll expand upon on this channel. Today might be a shorter video, even though this is not our shorts channel. Did GM come out with 2023 Corvette pricing? We'll let you know in just a moment. All right, let's go see Chuck. And we did talk about it a couple of times in yesterday's video in our Tech Tuesday segment about what grease he was using on the moldings. And we've had a number of people that'll send text and email and stuff like that. So I thought the timing was good for yesterday's Tech Tuesday to talk, you know, people getting their cars out for the spring, to talk about conditioning those moldings. Not just necessarily because they start squeaking, but like we said, to treat them, to keep them from cracking, alleviate air and water leaks. So let me just show you again. I did mention it in the comments on yesterday's video. I saw a lot of comments. What was that again? What was that? We said it, I don't know what, 10 times, dielectric grease. But I'll have Chuck show it to you here in just a second. And then we'll jump back up in the office and see if we actually have 23 pricing that we were supposed to get. But let's face it, everything that was supposed to happen on this car has not happened. Other than the fact that they've actually delivered a great car. But beyond that, as far as inventory and availability expectations, that's down the drain. That's our world right now. And it's not just cars. I mean, that's all we talk about because this is a car channel. This is a Corvette channel. The only one 100% dedicated. And it's neat that I can give you guys different perspectives now as an owner, always been an enthusiast, and as a dealer. Thank you for joining us. Make sure, because I know over half of you watching don't, but support us, man. I appreciate that by subscribing, liking the video, and making comments down below. Chuck's working. He's on the phone. I don't see too many of these C4s. Good morning, Nate.
Morning.
What's up, man?
Tired.
Yeah, I know. We're not even in the stride yet for season, and we're
getting busy quick.
Yeah, I know we are.
There you go.
Oh, you know what's neat about this car? Is this door open, Chuck? I gotta show this. Talking about C8, talking about Z06 and things coming for 2023. Get away from me with your cigarette. The hell's wrong with you? Okay, anyways, back on track here. The new interior for 2023, replacing Morello Red, is going to be something very similar to this, and actually more dramatic than this. You're going to have that dipped adrenaline red interior, and going back to C4, and I'm going to do another video on this because I've been wanting to talk about it. Just so happens this car's back here right now. But in C4, when you had a red interior, remember you had all the red carpeting, but what you're going to get in C8, you're going to get a red dash too. So it's going to be something that almost like a Cracker Jack box. When you get your C8 with adrenaline red dipped interior, look in the glove box. There'll be a set of sunglasses for you. You're gonna need them. But it's fun though.
In the Cracker Jack box?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Okay. Maybe I'll do that. Anybody that orders dipped interior, I'll put a little
Cracker Jack prize in the glove box.
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, what I'll get. Here's exactly what I'm going to do, and I'll tell you guys in advance. I'm going to buy a Cracker Jack box, empty it out, and I'm going to put sunglasses in there. I'm going to put it in the glove box. Bam, done, boom. Always thinking, live right there, just gave you that update. Whatever that means, nothing. But it'll be fun. And I love the torch red interior, the adrenaline red interior. I think it's going to be really, really sporty, really classy. So this is not what I came back here for, was your Stupid cigarette break. Okay, and I can sit and talk to you all day long. If you would do me a favor real quick, tons of questions. We mentioned it countless times on yesterday's video. Would you show the guys the dielectric grease that you were using on my moldings?
That's a trade secret.
Trade secret. Ooh, look at that for Tony and Marianne in Michigan. I'll see you guys soon. I know your weather kind of stinks up there, but I'm excited to get you guys on the vlog and deliver the car. Okay, so yesterday we mentioned it countless times. We showed this a long time ago, but again, it's a good refresher and for good reason on the moldings, and not just your C8. People, hey, can I use the silicone grease and this kind of stuff? You use this because of its water-resistant properties, correct?
Right.
All right, so here, let's show you real quick.
There's part number on the bottom.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching. Again, that's a great conversation in case you missed that. Sometimes you're deterred away from clicking on a video like, oh my gosh, 27 minutes. But it is so natural. It is just spontaneous with Chuck and I talking with you guys about this car. So check that out. Yesterday's Tech Tuesday, we cover a lot. We read a couple of your emails. Still kind of weird about, you can't hear me, still kind of weird about the glass. This glass, that guy in California where he was on the way home and it just exploded. Now he thinks that he was shot at or something like that. That's weird that happened. You know, that kind of stuff. Those conversations we had for you guys on yesterday's video. So again, I'm just here. I'm back walking and talking, holding the vlog, but I really like the point of view thing. But I think what I'm gonna do, I try to put it on the bill and then the bill will firm like that. So that doesn't work too well. I might clip it right here and turn the camera sideways, and I want to give you guys that perspective. When it frees up my hands, it frees up my mind. It allows me to have more of a deep conversation with you guys. All right, guys, so let's check and see here real quick on the computer if, in fact, we got any 2023 Corvette pricing today for you. In my pricing tab here on our dealer thing, no. If you want pricing for the 2023 low cab forward truck, then I have that for you. We don't have anything, so nothing is, nothing's panning out the way that it was supposed to be. It will, slow but sure, so hang in there. We'll continue to monitor that for you guys. I'm sure something will break here very soon, but in real time, early morning here, sharing this vlog with you guys. I appreciate you joining us. Nothing to report. But it's always good to see you and talk to you. Again, talking about what we did earlier today, extended conversations that you may enjoy. Don't forget to check out this past Sunday's Coffee with Conti, the McLaren owner who now has a C8 and is totally impressed by the car, its performance, its comfort, its value. He took delivery at the National Corvette Museum. That conversation with Aaron, that link is going. We'll put one right up in here for you, and we'll put another one down below in the description. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Whoa, hang on 1 second, guys. Watching this video was all for naught. We actually have a little bit of pricing information for you on the 2023 Corvette, not in the dealer system that I was just referring to, but actually from Car and Driver. So thanks, guys. I actually checked the media site for Chevrolet, and there was nothing there either. So the base Stingray for 2023 is going up $1,050 to $63,195. The 70th anniversary edition package is going to be $59.95, and if you want the stripes, those are optional. Those stripes are an additional $9.95. That's kind of the gist of what we have so far. Again, haven't gotten a detailed pricing sheet, seeing if some of the other packages go up. Once we get that, we'll share that with you guys. So far, no pricing information, as we were told. We would probably have that, even though we're not going to have ordering start for Z06. That is a delayed start that we kind of anticipated, and, well, I'm just going to leave that there for right now. So as we get more information on this pricing and so forth, we'll have detailed discussions and get some feedback from you guys. But I know I wanted to give you something today. We were told we're going to have something. Maybe there's going to be a media release later today, or maybe something in our system later today, but I won't be here. So that's all I got for you right now. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, guys.